In the last class, I have given one homework question, that is f of x equal to mod of x plus 1. You have to check whether this function is differentiable or not. How should I define this? How can we check whether the given function is differentiable or not? First of all, if you are really understanding the lectures whatever that I am delivering here, don't forget to click that like button and share it with all your friends. Let us see the solution for this question. The solution for this question is, first we have to break the limits. So this mod x can be written as, we all know, minus of x plus 1. Of course, it can also be written as plus x plus 1. Okay sir, it will be plus x plus 1. Its corresponding limit x less than x greater than. What you will be observing here? I always requesting you, whenever you are facing this kind of functions, in order to know the zero crossing point, just to take that function out, equal it to 0. If you do like that, this will give you x equal to minus 1. This is called zero crossing point. Now you can define, when the value of x is less than minus 1, then you will be getting negative value. If it is greater than minus 1, then you will be getting positive value. Exactly if it is equal to 1, then you will be getting 0. Okay sir, now we successfully found the actual expression for mod of x plus 1. It's time to check whether this function is differentiable or not. You know how to do that? Yes sir. So the first thing is, take the condition. The condition number 1, left hand side derivative. What is the formula? Limit x is approaching, left hand side means c minus, and the function can be written as f of x minus f of c upon x minus c. Further, you can also continue it further. So what I am going to do is, limit x is approaching. What is the point here? C is defined as minus 1. Since I am defining it from left hand side, so I have to put the minus on the top also. F of x, in place of f of x, if you are traveling along with the left hand side derivative, then left hand side means less than. The actual meaning is, left hand side means when the value of x is less than minus 1, what is the correspondent f of x? The correspondent f of x is minus of x plus 1. So substitute minus of x plus 1 here. Right. So 1 minute, let me remove this. Yes. So that is minus of x plus 1 minus f of c. Have you been calculated the value of f of c? Yes, f of c means, let me tell you here, f of c means, since the value of c equal to 1, at c equal to 1, what is the value of the function f of x? We know f of x equal to mod of x plus 1. Now if I am replacing it by x will be replaced by c, then this can be defined as mod of c plus 1. What is the value of c here? It will be c equal to, basically what we are getting here, this will be minus 1, not plus 1. I made a mistake. C, this is minus 1. If I will put minus 1 here, then it will become 0. Yes sir. So we know the value of f of c will be 0. I am repeating, f of c is nothing but at the given specific point, what is the value of the function? Directly you can write. So the value of f of c is 0 upon x minus c. X minus, what is the value of c? C, just now I have defined, the value of c is minus 1, specific point, c is minus 1. So from here we can proceed further. What we are getting is minus of, in the numerator I am getting x plus 1, in the denominator x minus of minus 1, that will also become x plus 1. X plus 1 will be cancelling out. Finally we are getting minus 1. In the same way, let us define the right hand side derivative also. See, right hand side derivative will be equal to, what is the formula? Limit. Now we have to approach the function from right hand side, and I have to define the function f of x minus f of c upon x minus c. But here we have to taking care of these limits first. Limit x value is minus 1 only. Since we are approaching it from right hand side, I have to put the plus. After that, in place of f of x, see, right hand side derivative means, right side means x greater than minus 1. Its correspondent f of x will be plus x of plus 1. So I can write x plus 1 minus f of c value is 0, we all know, divided by x minus value of c is, as usual, it is minus 1 only, it is fixed. From here I can further return this function value is x plus 1 upon x plus 1. Sir, it will be cancelled and I am getting plus 1. What is the conclusion here? From this, if you keep your attention with the resultant conclusions, here we are getting -1, here we are getting +1. So the conclusion is, sir, left hand side derivative and right hand side derivative are not equal to each other. So the given function is not differentiable at x equal to -1. That's all. So we got the conclusion. So we have found the answer for the given function. It's time to taking care of the next question. See, let me bring the next question. Take it as the homework question. Try to bring the answer. So we are dealing with the third question. The function f of x is defined as, right? 1 minute. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. The function f of x is defined as x minus 1 when the value of x is less than 2, and it is defined as 2x minus 3 when the value of x is greater than or equal to 2. Now you have to check whether this function is differentiable or not. Take this question as the homework question. Try to use your mastermind, bring the answer and drop it in the comment section. So this is all for this lecture. Remaining things we will see in the next class. Thank you all.